Hey guys, so I just found out that I can claim around $250 from this random airdrop from Optimism. Basically, if you have been active farming other airdrops or being active on different protocols just on the blockchain in crypto, there is a big chance you can claim some Optimism. And what you have to do, you basically go on their official Optimism Twitter account. I will have this link in the description so you don't have to search anything. And you go on the app.optimism.io. And really simple, here you will see the airdrop, this tab. You will click on it. And here you will see the airdrop number 5, Unchained Together, Benefit Together. So they are basically rewarding users who have been involved in the growth of the superchain, the best apps. So you have been active. Here you can see you interacted with at least 20 unique contracts on superchain, which is the base, Optimism, and many more, like Forecaster, I think, as well. And I didn't even know that I have been qualified, and I claimed around $230 worth of Optimism. And Optimism right now is pumping. I claimed around when it was around 150. Right now it is at 170. So follow the steps, claim your Optimism if you have been qualified for this airdrop. Really nice to have these surprise airdrops when you just are being dropped free money for just for the reason that you have been active on these chains. That's why my advice for you to claim or get rewarded is be active on these legit crypto chains. I think the best way, actually, what I will suggest you is to go on layer3.xyz, and here you will see many quests that cost like 1 cent, gas fees. There are many chains. Here you can see you can basically mint cubes on Optimism by doing some simple stuff. For example, follow EIC. This is some random profile that you would just follow on Forecaster. Then you will mint the cube on base. You will get experience. You will basically qualify for the layer 3 airdrop. And for the Optimism, you will be getting rewards from different chains. That's why layer 3 is one of the best, in my opinion, best application that you can learn. The best part is that layer 3 dropped like the first airdrop, which was like 5 or 10% of the whole airdrop. They will be dropping in a maximum like 50% to the basically community that are doing these tasks. That's why another great airdrop is just doing tasks on layer 3. And plus you will, again, you will get rewarded and you will qualify for Optimism airdrop number 6, because it says somewhere here that they are still distributing around 500 million in Optimism, which is insane number. And as we all know, bull run is still coming in Q4 in 2025. I think this will basically go to $5, $6. You can see it almost already went for $4. Now imagine if you qualify for an airdrop for example, 500 Optimism, and it is at $10, you get $5,000 in airdrops. That's why really no-brainer for me. I'm doing this every day. They have new quests every day. You can mint cubes, get rewarded. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, press a like, press a subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha and on airdrops like these ones. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.